there are so many food companies are there. In a food, we can say that there are so many insects are there, and we can eat
So ma'am,
that food.
if you don't know about the offline shopkeepers are do that because of that they are not do neat and clean their kitchens, and this time of
That's
time
why
they
you are
use
sitting
products
in middle of behind you. All of the member who are specker person, they are not able to remove their spec by online. Why they are not able to
Sorry,
remove
sir,
their
for kind
spec by-
information.
You are
So
specker
how
person.
can you say that the only online person using the specs? If I talk about the many
Hello
students-
everyone. How are you? Good, and you? I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So today we are going to play a group debate. In the group debate, my name is Anita, and this is my team, and the opponent party. We are going to support on the offline sector, and you guys are supporting the online sector. So I'm just proving why the offline sector is very good, because in the offline sector you can connect with each and everyone which you want to do. If you want to do a education, at that time you have to go to the school, and then after you will be very
Sorry ma'am,
quality
here
of-
you are wrong. So at that time, right now 21st era is going on, so at that time we are need online things. It doesn't matter where you are talking about the education sector. So in
Okay, sir,
education
how
also
can you
need a
say that
online.
you need online things? In this era, you can also understand if we are not doing the things offline, we are getting scammed by a lot of people. If you are doing anything online, you will get
So ma'am,
scammed.
it's up to the person who will scam or offline offline and online. We are selling and purchasing all the things in online. Like we are selling our clothes.
So sir,
our brands
as you are
and
talking about the selling products, or these are the things which you are talking about in a online sector, we can say that we can we can see the quality of product in a offline way. We can say that there are so many malls are
Ma'am,
there.
as you are telling about that we can do so many things in offline sector, online sector. According to me, in online sector we do anything.
How can you say that ma'am, all kind of thing you are doing online? You are coming here by your legs, it is offline. You are learning here English, it is offline, not online. And many kind of thing you are doing schooling,
But
that
sir,
not by
nowadays,
online.
if I take an example of a COVID, so how can you say that the government totally banned the going to the anywhere? So how can you say that the offline is good for us?
What are you talking about? The corona COVID time? What happened? People get the lenses, people get the lots of problem in the corona side. We were using the mobile phone and we are getting the lots of diseases. We are getting the
Okay,
corona.
first of all, about the corona that you are talking about, okay, all the offline sector was shut down, and online sector was the only sector which was surviving. And talking about the online education that you are talking about, I am doing online education, and I know the value of online education.
Excuse me, what you got from the online education? Did you get any degree? Did you get any great knowledge? You can't get that in the online. There are a lot of scams are there, and you guys see yourself. You guys are getting the
Excuse me
specs
ma'am,
on you.
first of all, I had cleared my first year from just because of the online. The second thing is that I'm preparing for SSC just because of the online. There are several students, there are millions of students who are preparing for online, and there are several students who are clear UP.
Means is that you are not able to do physical activity. That's why you are taking online classes, and that's why you are doing this kind of the things. If we are doing things in the offline, so we are getting the physical activity.
That's the wrong sentence. If we are not capable of physical activities, so that time we are doing offline shopping. So why we are online shopping?
Okay, let me clear the first thing. You are talking about the online shopping. Let me tell you, if you are doing the online shopping, you will get scammed. Because I have done online shopping. Nowadays, I am not doing online shopping.
But ma'am, how can you say that the online scam is doing with us? Yeah, I saw many shops. There are in an offline manner. They also get the scam with them. Like if you purchase.
Okay, sir. As you can talking about the scam, we can in an offline manner we can say there only 1% chances are there where we can feel scam. But in an online way, we can say that there are so many person who are
Who is doing
facing.
online scam that you are talking about? How many scams that you are involved in? And excuse me, I am doing in online education. Okay,
Listen,
and I know the
you
value
are
of
doing your
online
job.
education.
You are doing your job in Jara. Where you are doing? You are online, not you are not doing online. It is offline.
Okay, sir, as you're telling about the scams or and all, I think scam can be everywhere. It depends on us how we are getting scammed by the person, and even
Just think about that thing, why we are getting the scam because of online things. We are delivering the things in the online and we are getting the scam. We are getting the
Many
wrong
scams are
sentences.
available offline also. If we are purchasing any type of online good and trusted apps, on that time we are not getting any type of scams, and we save our money also.
Okay, sir, we see the ground reality. Ground reality is in 80% of people in India who are not educated, and due to the online, they are facing a lot of problem, which is not good for our India, because the person who are very poor.
means a lot of people facing a lot of problem. I saw many students preparing for the exam.
Okay, sir, let me tell you, those students who did online studies in the corona time, they are not able to crack the exam also. And if you will look at them and you will see they do not even have the knowledge because of the online
The first thing is that
application.
there you are talking about the 80%, each and every person are using online transaction. Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, there are several things they are using it. There is no one who are not using it.
As you all were talking about the, we can say that online is a very good. We can say that if you are feeling very ill, how can you? We can say that how can you feel your?
There's
we
an
can-
online consistent. If you are feeling ill, then you can consult that doctors, okay? And you don't need to stand up in the queue, and you don't need to take a.
You are consulting doctor from online. No, you are not consulting. Your hobby is playing cricket. Where you play cricket in
Okay, sir,
offline, not online.
as you are telling about, we cannot treat ourselves in offline way or online way. It depends on us. If we are not feeling like we can go anywhere, we can do. our
Oh wow,
studies
ma'am! With the
anywhere.
help of online way, we can go anywhere. How? We have to need our leg. We have to go offline. We cannot go online. If you are talking about the online payment,
So
it was
brother,
very
why
wrong.
can't
You are
we going anywhere because of the maps, because of the many facility, because of the cabs. How we cabs book in the online by the app, and if we are doing online payments on that time, we are getting benefit more than offline.
Okay, sir, those apps of yours will only work from the network. But if you are going anywhere and you are using the offline thing, you will get the knowledge from everywhere, not from the network
The
only.
first thing is that, ma'am, if you want to watch a movie, so you are watching online with your mobile phone. You are not going in a PVR to watching all-time movies.
Excuse me, sir, you are sitting offline. That's why you're watching online. Firstly, you need to sit offline, and you're talking about the online UPIs. UPIs are there, and UPI, the person who are not able to make the
Sir,
payment.
but UPIs are online payment, ma'am. What you are talking about? Americans are adopting UPI payments. So many international companies are adopting the UPI payments. And you are talking about Zara. We are also involved in the online transactions.
As
Okay,
you are
get into
talking
the Zara
about
first.
UPI payments, so as I clear you that the UPI payments, we can say that we feel very, we can say that there are so many problems which you are facing in a UPI. We can say that whenever
Actually,
we
ma'am,
are
you
doing
living
payment.
in a wrong era. That's a problem because there are no issue. Within a 10 second, you are transaction within a if you are transact the 1 lakh rupee within a 10 seconds.
You are transaction 10 seconds. You are transaction 10 seconds. That's why you are taking samosa and any kind of thing in by offline way. Why you are giving money? And
So if
listen,
we are
your
doing
hobby
any
is
kind
playing.
of
Your hobby is
then we are
playing
facing
cricket.
lots of problem by the offline because all the shopkeepers have the change problem and the many facilities are not there for the offline. If we are going offline, so on the
Oh,
we
sir,
late.
they are delivering our samosa with the help of online.
Yes.
No, you are going in the shop, you are purchasing the samosa, and you are
But
paying
sir,
the
for
cash.
your kind information, in the online is very easily to bring it. Like if we don't need to go anywhere, like there are many companies and provide the employment to the person like a Zomato.
Oh
and-
wow, Bahit sir, how the online samosa is coming, right? On the Google you are saying, and then one click you are getting that. No, the delivery person who are coming to your home,
Okay,
then
so
after
ma'am,
you are
as
getting
you all
that.
are
Okay?
telling about that samosa, I think it is not very valid point. We can do online payment as well. It is very secure. It depends on us. We are using.
Okay,
our
ma'am,
OTP
why are you
that way.
only depending on the online payment? Online payment also gets stuck in between. If you are going to any kind of shop, you are paying.
You
paying
are having
online.
online application which made an online transaction, and you are not supporting that thing. It is too ironically that you are not saying that, and you all guys are doing online payments, and you are saying that online.
Oh,
payment is-
we all are not doing online payment. We are using cash. We have cash, and we are paying as a cash. And you are saying about the online payment. Just think about the Paytm.
Brother, that's the
Paytm is
reason you
banned
are
in
standing.
India.
That's why you are standing in a queue and you are just asking to the shopkeeper, please give me a change. That's why you like it. That's why you are saying we are having a cash. And why demonetization happens?
Sir, as you were talking about the food delivery, we can say that nowadays there's a one thing which comes in a news channel. We can say that there are so many food companies are there in a food. We can say that there are so many insects are there, and we can eat
So ma'am,
that food.
if you don't know about the offline shopkeepers are do that because of that they are not do neat and clean their kitchens and this time of
That's
time
why
they
you are
use
sitting
products
in middle of behind you. All of the member who are specker person, they are not able to remove their spec by online. Why they are not able to
Sorry
remove
sir,
their
for kind
spec by-
information.
You are
So
specker
how
person.
can you say that the only online person using the specs? If I talk about the many students, they wear specs because their health conditions. because some reasons are available.
Hey
that
guys,
we
you
can
are
say-
why you all are going to only the online. We have a lot of, once you will be a patient, will you be able to be treat yourself like online? If there will be operation, will you be able to treat that online? No, you need a doctor, you need the operation theater, you
For
need
your
a lot of things.
information, ma'am, if there is no doctor, so we have to consult it online. If we want to take any astrologer, so at that time we have a online. If you want to do
Oh
any
wow,
prayer,
wow,
so at
wow!
that time
If
have
we
go
want to
online.
take medicine, so we can take online. We don't need
can order it.
we don't need doctor. How are saying that we need doctor? That's why we are taking the medicine. We have to check up ourselves from the doctor, and doctor will
First
check
of
you.
all, the
That's
data that you are getting about the doctors, na, it is come from the satellite, and that is online, okay? And we can also the
And
use
also because
technology
of
that we are
those
using.
satellites, a lot of people are dying, the birds are dying because of online things. You are doing online shopping, you are doing online transaction because of the network, because of all
Ma'am,
that.
as you all
people
are telling
dying
about
and
that
the
we
birds
are
are
wearing
dying.
spectacles just because of online issues. It is not about that. We are not blind. We can see anything. But yeah, it is about that we are getting just because it is personal
Means
issues.
you are blind. I am mentioning you are blind. You are not able to see properly. That's why you are wearing spectacles.
So brother, you have
are
like
taking
eagle eyes,
medicine,
then you
will
see
say,
all
okay,
the
Google, I will
far
take medicine.
location
You will
also.
say that.
And if I talk about the anything, so now we are on.